Our DLeaF meeting structure is set up to give you some training around digital tools from our partners and provide you with support in completing the cycle of inquiry portfolio. Let's talk about our virtual meetings first. We will use these meetings to conduct consultancy protocols with your fellow DLeaFs and walk you through the DLeaF portfolio process. During the first virtual meeting of the year in October, you'll be given the opportunity to formulate an essential question. In December, you'll get some feedback on your implementation and documentation plan. Our virtual meeting in February will be based around working on your final reflection, and we will have dedicated time at our April meeting for you to finish your portfolio and begin to work on your exhibition of learning presentation. Each virtual DLeaF meeting consists of 3 parts. We will start in cohort collaboration, where you get to share some of the work you are doing and see some examples of activities from us. The next chunk will be the consultancy protocol, where you will work with other DLeaFs to get insight and feedback on your work. We will end with DLeaF Discovery, a time for you to ask and get questions answered on a variety of topics. I mentioned the expectation of coming to the meeting prepared to share, and I want to emphasize that we are dedicating meeting time for you to reflect, get feedback, and problem solve about any obstacles you may be encountering. This becomes a really powerful process if participants come with artifacts. Don't worry if you don't have anything prepared. Artifacts are great, but we can work with anecdotes and ideas as well. Our in-person meetings will give you the opportunity to explore some of the digital tools available to you in SFUSD, and some ideas of how to implement them effectively in your learning environments. We'll be going to KQED to learn about media literacy resources in September. Adobe will host us in November to show us how to use Express for media making and some demo slam videos. In January, we'll go to Common Sense to explore ways to incorporate storytelling into your digital agency activities. And in March, we will check out various classrooms across the district where digital tools are being implemented successfully. We also encourage you to bring your colleagues in education to these in-person meetings as well. This slide links to a doc that shows the DLeaF calendar for the year. Please note that all of our work will culminate in our end-of-year celebration, the DLeaF Exhibition of Learning on May 8th. Additionally, you can add the DLeaF calendar to your Google Calendar by following the steps on this slide.